Happy Friday, everyone. Welcome back to Chats with Chase. Here's today's tip.
There's a tool in SOLIDWORKS Visualize that I think is underused. It's fairly simple to do and yields an interesting result and great looking video. It's the sun study render option, which allows you to create a short clip of your product with the sun passing over it, giving different reflections and shadows depending on geometry. Let's quickly set one up here with the bike I have on this grass. The first thing I need to do is go to the Scenes tab and check out what we have for an environment. Looking at the General tab, we can see some of the definition of the sun. We can change a lot about it here, all of which will affect the final output. We could change the month, time, and even the latitude and longitude, but I'm fine with how it is now, so let's check out the Sunlight tab. Here you can define a ton of different settings like haze, color, brightness, and size of the sun. Those will all change how the sun shows up in the reflection. If we wanted, we could even change the color of night so that when the sun goes down, there might still be some light to show the shape. And again, there are even more options in the advanced section, but I'll keep those how they are for now. It is worth mentioning to you, the grass that we see in the background here is not part of a backplate. It's an actual part I created in SOLIDWORKS and applied an appearance to. The light from sun studies doesn't affect backplates, so if you want the background to fade in and out with the model, it'll need to be created as a physical item. Now when I go to render, I'll use this section on the left to create a sun study. We have a few more options here that'll really decide how long this takes to render. This time range will be what section of the day the study takes place over. Let's do 6 a.m. to 6 p.m., so 6 to 18. I want to render this at 30 frames per second and a total of 10 seconds. This second tab is where we would decide the final video's resolution and decide what way it's going to render. We could adjust resolution and size here, but I'll just make sure it's set to accurate rendering, quality, and just to make it run a bit faster, let's limit this to 200 passes. After starting it and letting it run for about 5 hours, we have this video as the final product.
Thanks for watching. Contact me if you have any questions, and have a nice weekend.